Good morning, this is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 3 minutes, so let's see what happens. And I'm going to go ahead and get short here at 127.20. I think that a further breakdown here is coming on TIF here. So let's see if we can get the breakdown through the 127 mark. No, it's acting pretty stubborn there. Look like I might be able to pick up some more. Try for some at 127.35. See what it wants to do here. Can it break down through 127? That is the question now. Sitting right there, we go. There's the break. All right, I just hopped out there. I was looking for a much stronger break, and it may keep going down, but this is just not the type of action I was looking for. So I'll take the $65 and move on. Let's see what else I can find. Have an order at 139.95, and it hit 139.95. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to 140.15 at this point. So there's the problem with nailing the top. So let's try it. Nice, got those. For my first allotment. Let's try for some more up there at 140.45. Got those. So got those out at 140.20. So still have 500 shares though. Let's try for some at 140.85, 140.95. Okay, I got those ones. Let's put some down here at 55. 51 and 40. So again, have some orders to cover at 140, 55, 51, and then so all out there. I need to stop talking for a second. So 141.15 and start the process over again. So made 370 on that trade. I lost track though, I'll admit. Thought I had 2,000 for some reason, even though I'm pretty sure I said 1,500, but I meant to keep. So I threw out 500 shares, 3 separate locations, adding up to 1,500. So I was ideally still going to have 500 shares to let it ride down for me. But that was a mistake on my part, but it is what it is. It kind of comes with the territory sometimes. I was trying to talk out loud and not sound like an idiot, but nobody's fault but my own. Nobody's forcing me to do these live trade videos. But regardless, all right, let's see. It is 9:39 a.m. and I'm up $434. So I'm not going to complain. I'm very grateful for that. But let's see if we can get this another move to the upside. I have an order at 141.45 here now on ROKU for another round. Okay, got those. And that fast out. Let's go to 95 now. So that was I don't even know what the math on that was. 100. I don't know. I'm not even going to try. I'm not even going to try. It was a good amount of money because let's see, I was up 370, right? And now I'm up 495. So what's the math on that? 120 bucks. So about $120 in, you can scroll back, but we'll just call it 10 seconds. But I'm now at 141.95. Start the process all over again. So let's see if we can work its way up to the 141.95. But now it's not even 15 minutes in. It's 9:44, and I'm up 5:59. So 5:59 for 15 minutes of work, quote unquote. I'll take it. All right, let's see if this can work its way up to 141.95. I have an order at 139.25 here on Roku. Trying to play the pullback here. I don't know if I'm being realistic or not, thinking it can get down to 139.25. I may be dreaming, but we'll see what happens. I have an order at 141.95. This thing's looking like it's getting a little bit top heavy here, but still not quite confident enough to want to go in with more size than just the 500 to start with. If it does want to shoot up quickly, I have an order at 142.45. That would bring my position up to 1,000 shares. Okay, so I got those at 141.95. So we'll see if we can get up there and hit me at 142.45. Getting close, but hasn't quite hit me yet. It's working its way up there. Okay, nice, got those. Let me get some more orders up there. Let's see, 85, whoops, 142, and then 95. So let's see if this thing wants to move up some more. Put this line out here as a reference point. So if it can hit that red line there, then I will be in the green. So let's see what it wants to do here. And almost all out. And all out. Wow. All right. Well, pulled back, hit the green line. Bummer. I was hoping to go up a little bit further and then obviously roll back over, but it is what it is. So let's see. That was a fast mover though, wasn't it? Just kind of got stuck up in that area. Then all of a sudden that fast down to 142. Let's see. It is 10:03 and now I'm up 659. So I'm happy with that. But yeah, if this move wants to continue back upwards, I will look to start the process all over again. In fact, while I'm talking, let's see how, yeah, 142.95 will start again at 500 shares. So I'll get that order out there. And yeah, let's see if this move wants to continue back up. All right, 142.95 is seemingly within striking distance. At this point, you've seen how fast this one can move. All right, I will pause, and if it looks like it's going to get back up in the 180s again, I'll roll. Oh, there we go, back in the 180s. All right, at this point, I'm going to go to 143.25. So 143.25. Maybe that was a silly move. Yes, it was. Well, I would have tried to get out at 180, so I don't know if that would have necessarily happened. But regardless, with the way this one's starting to trade, yeah, in hindsight, should have just kept it there. Would have picked up the quick $75 bill, but oh well. Feel good though, up at 143.25. So I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, there's the break of 143, that is. And it hit as high as 143.17. So close, but not close enough. Let's see if it can work its way back up there. I will pause for the time being. Okay, I have an order at 143.75 now. Those other ones were just, it just wasn't acting the way I want to see it act. And now that we're over 10 minutes, I'm trying to be a little bit more picky with just, I don't want to waste your time with a bunch of non-fills. And again, got up as high as 143.65, did not fill me. Maybe I'll just wait until I'm filled before I get the video rolling, just for the sake of, like I said, to honor your time a little bit better here, since we're now up over 11 minutes. So I'll keep an eye on it. All right, making a very nice move. That makes me think I'm going to get filled here. There we go. All right, so in for 500 at 143.65. And 143.65 opening allotment. Again, that green line represents if the price can hit there. That would put me in the green. So I'm going to try for some at 144.15. And also 144.25. And 144.45. I'm going to change this to 143.60 now. So let's see if we can get the break up. Through that 144 mark. Well, it's working its way up there. I will go ahead and pause. All right, pulling back here. All right, well, I'm trying to get out now. I can't even get out at 170. I'm looking to just take a loss here on this one. It's not acting the way I want to see it act. So all out there, so took a, what was that? $45 loss. And in hindsight here, maybe I would have been okay at 143.60 to have gotten out with a $25 profit. But like I said, just not acting the way I wanted to see it act, so not going to try to get cute or fancy with it. So yes, I would have been okay, and I could have gotten 25. Well, and now I could have gotten my original profit, but oh well. So there's hindsight for you. Got out, and then it went in my favor. So I was wrong to have done that, but it is what it is. Still up over $600 on the morning, but like I said, no point in trying to get cute with it. So that's why I decided to just hop out. But yeah, let's see if I can maybe capture one more trade. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here just a little bit after 11 a.m. So 90 minutes, up $600. I'll take it. If you do enjoy these videos, before I go, final few things. The easiest way to say, hey Clay, yeah, I do like watching these. Please keep making them. Just hit that like button, leave a comment below, let me know. And also check out the channel and lots of other different videos. So if you decide to subscribe to that also. If you are interested in trading alongside me and other traders, I do offer a private trading community that has a live chat room. There's a weekly newsletter where I send out my personal scans. You can just go to claytrader.com/team. For that, and then also offer a training program where if you're interested in learning more so how to trade, how to use charts and technical analysis to build strategies that work for you, I do offer what's called the Trading Freedom Pathway program. That is, again, you can find that at claytrader.com. There's also a free class that I teach. You'll see how to sign up for that. As soon as this video is over, there will be another video that plays, and you can sign up for that if you want to get more kind of into my style, how I teach, and just get more familiar with me if maybe this is one of the first videos you've watched. But if nothing else, like I said, if you enjoy these and want me to keep making them, hit that like button, let me know in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, and I'll see you back for the next video. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.